All right, don't turn the camera off. I know my hair looks a mess, but you know what today is. Today is my film day style where I just turn the camera on and let you see how I prepare my hair when I record my YouTube videos. So what you're seeing now is just two strand twists. My hair has been like this literally all week. I just put it in chunky two strand twists and I put it in a ponytail. And today is record day, so I am going to take these twists out so that you can see exactly how I pull my hair up into a bun. So yes, today's style is going to be a classic simple bun that I promise you can do yourself. All right, first, allow me to reintroduce myself. I am Karen. I'm the owner of Curl House Product Line. I'm a licensed cosmetologist and a certified trichologist. And I am going to show you how I do this hair. All right, first things first. Hair care starts with scalp care. So I'm going to first start by applying my healer drops right to the scalp. This is the area of my hair that's thinner. It grows slower. This is the area in my crown. So I really like to show these styles for women who are dealing with thinness or thinner hair in the crown like me. I know you may not see it, but when I take these twists out, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about, because you all see me on YouTube and think my hair is perfect, but it is not. I deal with hair loss as well right here in the crown. After I apply these drops and massage them in for a few minutes, they really help to continue to keep my scalp hydrated and to stimulate growth in this area. The next thing I do, I apply a little bit of my sealer moisture cream and I put it right on my ends. I do not put it all over for this style. I don't put it all over when I take the style out. I put the cream in all throughout my hair when I just kind of keep it in all week to keep my hair hydrated. But before I take a style out, I don't put it all over. I just concentrate it on the ends. Okay, now it's time to take the twist out. Let me put my towel on. Don't want this oil to get all over my shirt. And I use this oil by Adiva. It's one of my favorite oils. And it's an oil butter. So it's like a oil and butters mix. Gives off a great sheen. And I just put it all throughout the hair before I untwist. So now I am going to untwist these two strand twists. Hair is all out, and as you can see, as I said earlier, my hair is gray, it's drier. This part of my hair is much shorter. It's short. Do you all see this? Okay, can you see this? This is how much my hair has grown pretty much since I cut it all off back in 2020. Can you see how short this is? So as compared, I want you to compare it. You see this length that is short, it's thinner. But the rest of my hair, you see how long this is? It comes all the way down here, like past or right at my bra strap. That's how long my hair is. And I haven't really cut it since I cut it off in 2020. But this is it. This is all the growth I got in 6 years right up here, because this is the area where I have a hair loss condition, female pattern hair loss. My hair grows slower, it's thinner in this area. So I just wanted to point that out. So if those of you who are dealing with a thinner crown, the rest of your hair is longer, but it's getting thinner here, this bun is going to be perfect for you because it's going to camouflage the thinning hair. Whenever you pull your hair up, it camouflages the thinner hair in the middle. Okay. So now that the hair is out, now let's pull it up. Okay, so for pulling it up, I'm going to lay my edges down. I don't lay my edges down all the time. I may do it about once a week, if that. I don't believe in putting too much gel and too much product around your edges because that can lead to breakage. But if you're going to use gel, this is the one that I absolutely love. This is called Kindess. It's the name of the product line. The name of the product line is Textured Kids. Kindness is the name of the product. Ponytail and braid jam. So it is excellent for laying down the edges. It is actually a plant-based edge control, and it is very, very light. It is toxin free. It does not make your hairline super hard, but gives it a nice smooth finish. It lays it down, and the ingredients in it that I love, again, they're plant-based, and it's toxin-free, you all, and it doesn't have alcohol in it, so you don't have to worry about it like drying out your edges. You all, this stuff is the bomb. And again, the line is by a company called Textured Kids. So, wow. The entire product line is designed for kids. It can be used by the whole family, including me. But anywho, you all can check it out. Kindness by Textured Kids. You know, I'll put the link down low in the description. But this is my new favorite, you all. Oh my gosh, this stuff is amazing. You all see this? Y'all saw how dry my hair looked before. Kindness, like I said, it is kind to your edges and kind to your hair. And the ingredients in it give off a very nice sheen. Do you all see that? You see the difference in what my hair looked like before? Because I know it looked dry. Now that I have prepped my hairline, I am going to take a comb and I'm just going to smooth it. Ooh, I'm just going to smooth it. Ooh, I'm just going to smooth it in. If you use a brush, it's fine. Just make sure you are very gentle with your hairline. All right, so here we go. Edges are laid down. The next step I'm going to do to achieve my bun, I'm going to take a rat tail comb and I'm just going to lift the roots. So I want to give my hair some more volume. Okay, you see that? So I have volume. This is what's going to create the volume in my bun. Now I'm going to take it. I'm going to flip my head over. I am using a satin scrunchie. Satin scrunchie, you all. You want to protect your hair. A satin scrunchie is not going to cause all my hair to come out. So I'm going to flip my head over and put on this satin scrunchie. All right, y'all got that? Okay, so that's it. So it's in a high ponytail. Now, from here, I am going to create the bun. But before I create the bun, I want to give myself a little volume here. So I want to pull out the top right in here. Just right here. And give myself a little pompadour. You see that? All right, so this is what it looks like so far. Y'all bear with me. I'm doing this in my cell phone. So bear with me if I'm looking all over the place. Okay. All right. I like to pull out my accent pieces, or AKA my Michael Jacksons. So I'm going to take a little bit of hair back here. I like to have the little twirly pieces hanging. There we go. Those are my Michael Jacksons. Let me do that. Let me pull out another Michael. Y'all remember the Michael Jacksons back in the day? He would have all that curly hair greased down to his face. So here we go. This is my Michael. I think I want a Michael on the side too. Back to the bun. Twirling it around. I want a chunky bun. And I'm just going to slip some straight pins in it just to secure it. Again, this is a really simple style. And I don't necessarily like my bun like, you know, some people will put a donut in it. I have no problems with the donut, but the donut gives it like some people need a donut because of their hair to support the bun. but I like more of a messy bun now that my hair has grown. And don't get me wrong, trust me, if you look at some of my older videos, I had a nice full bun. It was stuffed. It was stuffed. I typically didn't use a donut. I just used some hair to stuff it to give it some volume. But now I have a little bit of length, you all. So I don't need a donut. I just kind of twirl it around like this. All right. And then you see I'm just twirling it around and I'm pinning it. All right, y'all. The bun is coming together. Y'all, look at them edges. Look how kind. Look at that. Look at those edges. Look at kindness. Them edges is laid, you all. Okay, so, all right, so here's the bun. It's not a lot of pins, you all. And ultimately what I'm doing, I'm just putting pins in it just to secure it. And it is some places right on the sides where I pulled out my little Michael Jacksons. I'm going to take a bobby pin right in here, just in here, because what I'm going to do, I kind of want this to come in kind of tight to this and have the top part like the pompadour pop a little bit. And the best way to do that is to take your bobby pin and just smooth it up on the side and just kind of pin it down. So it's like this. You see that? So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I need another bobby pin. All right, let me do the other side now that I got my other bobby pin. Again, we just gonna smooth it up here and pin it down. All right, there we go. All right, so the last thing that I need to do, I need to loosen up these Michael Jacksons. So when you've applied too much gel and it feels kind of straight, then you just put a little bit of water. I'm going to use my juicer leave-in conditioner, which is water-based. And you just take it and wet it a little bit and just break up some of the gel. And your curl will pop on back like this. Okay, there we go. Well, let's see. All right, it's coming to get there. Okay, now the last thing that I got to do, you all know, I need to pull out my baby hair. Yes, I'm going to take this little brush and I'm going to gently brush my hairline. Yes, again, I'm pushing 50 and I love my baby hair. Okay, there we go. All right, so here we go, you all. Let me let you see the back. Can you see it? I haven't looked at the back, so I hope it looks okay back there. But okay, here we go. I really wanted you just to see how I achieved this style. It's really simple. It does not require a lot. I have a satin scrunchie, some pins, a little bit of gel, and just kind of slap it up and pin it down. It does not have to be a super neat bun. I kind of like a messy bun, so I kind of like it like this. So I really wanted you all to see how I prepare my hair as I roll into recording my YouTube videos for the week. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you are learning just these basic styles, these basic things that you can do with your hair, even if you are dealing with a thinner crown. This little pompadour right here gives it a little bit of volume. And if the hair is thinner at the top, your bun is going to cover that. So let me know if this is helpful to you, if there's another style you want me to try, or even if you want me to show you how to do this style with stuffing. If you don't have enough hair to completely just do a little slap around like this, I can show you how to do that as well. Okay, guys, if you're looking for amazing products that will help you to hydrate your hair, to grow and stimulate growth at the scalp, I strongly encourage you to check out the Curl House collection of products, you all. That's why I designed the product line just for you and for me to help with this dry hair. Okay, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video so that you do not miss a video in the future. And until we talk again, stay fast.